Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. It looks like we are recording. What's up, guys? That was cringy. This is a review of the Parrot rolling spider mini drone. It's pretty lit. It usually has 2 wheels, but it's recording it in this like little light box thing. Can't really explain it, so couldn't fit the wheels in the shot. But as you can see, it looks sick, and that's all that freaking matters. And here is me showing off a sticker. I have no idea, but yeah, here's me showing the battery. Pretty lit battery. The most interesting part of this review is that beautiful battery. And here's the one more thing, okay? A micro USB, okay, Apple? It's like that one person always asking for an Apple charger. Please subscribe to my cringy YouTube channel because I'm desperate for subscribers. I need subscribers.